Case UserCon 2021.
I think if you're using the Case products, this is a great time to learn more about what you're doing and to interact with other people that are using the Case appliances.
After another successful event in Orlando, Florida in 2019, Case UserCon is back. For 2021, Case UserCon is 100% virtual and 100% free. You'll still get best practices in unified endpoint management and maximize your investment in Case. Create your own learning path and grow your portfolio of knowledge so you can provide greater value to your IT team and organization. You'll make it possible to discover, manage, and secure administrative rights, user access, and all of your endpoints.
It's a really great opportunity to talk with people that have been working with Case for a very long time.
You'll learn how to get the most out of your Case Systems Management appliance. Meet the Case team and developers behind the products. Learn tips and tricks by attending sessions with Case experts, industry partners, and peers.
Incredibly valuable to be able to talk to your peers, to be able to talk to developers.
Be part of our ever-growing Case Innovative community, where we value your feedback and ideas to further develop our products. UserCon 2019 sold out in record time. UserCon 2021 is 100% virtual and free. Although this event won't be sold out, be sure to register so you don't miss out on the chance to soak up all the knowledge and expertise that has made UserCon so famous. While we're going virtual for 2021, we're already planning UserCon 2022. It'll be live at the Virgin Hotel Las Vegas in the fall of 2022. Join us at the only conference geared toward users like you. Register today at Case UserCon.
Go to at least one, and you're going to want to go to more.
Learn more at quest.com/CaseUserCon.